हमारे स्कूल का मैं पर्टिकुलर बनाऊंगी वीडियो। नहीं आपको जल्दी अरे आगे पड़े बोले भाई आगे पछा गले जे ना सेठी अछि हम से तो जी जण रहि गला भाई काहे
Today, we celebrate the 77th Republic Day of India. We are privileged to have among us the personalities who embody the spirit of our day. We are reminded of the long journey of our nation has taken towards our sovereignty and justice.
So round of applause.
निश्चित भाव में प्रतिष्ठित जड़े नृत्यशिल्पी हो पार बोली आशा और विश्वास।
As you all know, just 11 months, 18 days to complete. The Constitution Assembly adopted the Constitution on November 26, 1949, but come into force on 26 January 1950. The President gives awards to the people and soldiers on this day. Republic Day is celebrated in schools and colleges with great enthusiasm and joy. It teaches us to live in unity and joy. At last, I would like to share a sign. तिरंगा मेरी शान है. The father of a constitution. So, a constitution was made under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, a visionary leader who worked tirelessly for social justice. Our constitution gives us the values of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity, which are the four pillars of our constitution. Our constitution protects the rights of every citizen of our country, irrespective of your religion, your caste, your language, the state which you belong to. So people in our country, even though they belong to different states, they follow different religions, they have a different culture, traditions, but we are all one in heart. Seeing these young, bright minds in front of me, I want to tell you that you are the future of our nation, the tomorrow's leaders. Our country has made great progress since independence in all the areas, be it the technology, be it the space, science, or education, healthcare. Everywhere we have made a mark in the whole world. Okay, go march towards your goals with courage and confidence and bring prosperity to our nation. Only you can do it because of the future of our country depends on young minds like you. So as we celebrate this day, we should also remember the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters and because of whom we are enjoying the freedom today. So on this day, let us all take pledge to respect and abide by the Constitution of India, and all of us should become a responsible Indian citizen. We claim our rights everywhere we go, but we forget to do our responsibilities. Rights and responsibilities of a citizen always goes together. If you are claiming your rights, you also have to do your responsibilities as an Indian citizen. So I urge you all, my dear students, let us work together in unity, peace and love and uphold the dignity and activity of our nation. Let us strive hard to lead India towards prosperity. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Warrior known for her bravery and swordmanship. Dr. B. Ambedkar, also known as Baba Saheb. Ambedkar work shaped modern India's commitment to social justice. Bhagat Singh was a fearless Indian revolutionary fighter. He joined independence struggle early, advocating armed resistance against British rule. Soldier embodies courage, sacrifice, and unwavering duty in defense their nation. Police are essential guardians of law and order, protecting citizens and maintaining peace in society. का क्यों हार है, दिल में प्यार है, मिट्टी की खुशबू में अपना संसार है। उत्तर से दक्षिण तक, पूरब से पश्चिम, एक सुर में गा रहे हैं हम सब हर दिन। देखो कैसे बदल रहा है वक्त का ये कारवां। छल्ला सिद्धे बन गए कफन जग तुरिया, तन गए मौत नू वाचा, मारे वे अंतर कपदे सारे। छल्ला सिद्धे बन गए कफन जग तुरिया, तन गए मौत नू वाचा, मारे वे अंतर कपदे सारे। गान तू बेचारा पान तू, गान तू बेचारा पान तू। माँ के पेट से मरगट तक है तेरी कहानी, पग पग प्यारे दंगल दंगल रे दंगल दंगल। सूरज तेरा चढ़ता चढ़ता गर्दिश में करते हैं नारे, दंगल दंगल रे दंगल दंगल। जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
ऐ मेरे वतन के लोग, जरा आँखों में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी, जरा याद करो कुर्बानी।
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब वैसे तो दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना।
पहले लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम का बेघर दर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। वंदे मातरम, 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 वंदे मातरम।
From class KG1, the first prize goes to Lukti Abu. Second prize goes to Shivika Kumari. Class 5 to 10, only class 1 to 4 was left. So from class 1, the first prize goes to Science.
Sunita Miss, she's Aradhya Rao and you are getting action. You look.
First prize goes to Vishwarupam Pradhan from class 2B. Second prize goes to from class 3B. Second prize and the third prize goes to Pratik Chaudhary from class. Next from class 4, the first prize goes to Harsh. Last junior and senior group. From sub-junior group, the first prize. Class 3rd A. And from the senior group, the second prize goes to Ansupriya Yadav from
Invite our chief guest, please come on the stage.
House.
Badly there, 9 and 10 boys. First red house, second yellow, third green. Kabaddi, which is conducted. Boys, first prize goes to red house, second green house, third green yellow house. Girls, first red house, second blue, third yellow house.
भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ के चरणों में जीवन कुर्बान है, भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है। छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, मैं लौट से दिल पर नई कहानी। छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी, मैं लौट से दिल पर नई कहानी। हिंदुस्तानी
Congratulations.